If you're having trouble finding TNT Sports channels on your YouView box, you're not alone. Many users face this issue, especially since the major rebrand that happened in July 2023. BT Sport channels were completely rebranded as TNT Sports. This means you should no longer look for BT Sport in your channel guide, but instead search for TNT Sports channels. There are several common reasons why TNT Sports channels might not appear on your YouView box. Let's examine the main categories of issues. The most common issue is subscription and account problems. Your BT or EE account might not be properly linked to your YouView box. You could have payment issues, or there might be account verification failures. Technical configuration problems are another major cause. Your YouView box might have outdated channel lists, incorrect postcode settings, or firmware compatibility issues that prevent channels from appearing. Network and signal issues can also cause problems. YouView boxes need both good broadband and aerial connections. Poor internet quality, aerial signal problems, or server-side outages can all affect channel availability. Geographic restrictions can also prevent access. Sometimes there are postcode database issues, regional availability limitations, or location verification problems that block certain channels in specific areas. Understanding which category your issue falls into is crucial for finding the right solution. Whether it's a subscription problem, technical configuration, network issue, or geographic restriction, identifying the root cause will help you get your TNT Sports channels back quickly. First, verify your subscription status by logging into your BT or EE account. Check that your TNT Sports subscription is active and your payment method is up to date. Next, refresh your YouView box system. Navigate to Settings, then Signal and Connection. Perform a retune operation and run an internet connection test. Finally, restart your box with a full power cycle. When running the internet connection test, you should see a screen like this showing your connection status. Make sure all tests pass successfully before proceeding. Now, update your channel list. Go to Settings, then Channels, and select Update Channel List. This process takes 5 to 10 minutes to fully synchronize. Once complete, check your electronic program guide around channels 400 to 410 for TNT Sports. Ensure your broadband connection meets the minimum requirements. You need at least 10 megabits per second download speed for HD content. Use a speed test to verify your connection meets these requirements. If all previous steps fail, a factory reset may be necessary as a last resort. However, this will erase all your recordings and settings, so make sure to back up any important content first. Only proceed with this step if absolutely necessary. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most TNT Sports channel issues on your YouView box. Start with account verification and work through each step systematically. Most problems are resolved by the channel list update process.